This is lesson 4 for Saxon 5 math, comparing whole numbers. And when you're comparing whole numbers, you need to remember least to greatest. So these are our symbols. We have these symbols and equals. These are what we use when we're comparing numbers. Now remember, we're comparing whole numbers today, which means we won't be working in fractions or decimals. So if I have the whole number, 12, and I'm comparing it to 16, I am looking to see which number is larger. This number is greater than 12, which means it is going to be said like this. Now, if I were to say this like a sentence, I would be saying 12 is less than 16. Okay, reason I say that is because this symbol tells you whether you're saying less than or greater than. If I had the symbol this way around and it said 13 compared to 11, and it was this way, this would be read 13 is greater than 11. This one is read 12 is less than 16. Depending on which way the symbol is flipped, depends on how you say it. Now, if we have three numbers and we want to list them, so let's say you have 64, 46, and 54. And I want to list these from least to greatest. That means I need to find the smallest number first. Well, if I'm looking at the tens column, this is a 6, this is a 4, this is a 5. Okay, well, 4 is the smallest one, so this means that's my smallest number. There is my least number. I can take that out. And again, looking at the tens column, we got 5 and 6, which means 5 is the next smallest and 6 is my last one. I've now used all three numbers and it is listed least to greatest because the smallest number is 46, the largest number is 64. If you have two numbers that are equal, for example, 7 and 7, and I've asked you to compare them, they are equal. It is the same number. So 7 is equal to 7. If you have a number like 372 compared to 327, please make sure that you are looking at each column. So we start with the biggest column, 3 and 3. Well, those are the same. Go to the 10th column, 7 and 2. Ooh, 7 is bigger than 2, which means I'm reading it like this. 372 is greater than 327. Okay? Always start with the big column, compare those, then go to the next column and compare those, and so on and so forth. This was lesson 4 for Saxon 5, comparing whole numbers.